Okay, so after you cut the first tangs off, what we need to do is rotate the bushing. So I'm going to put these needle nose pliers in like so, at which point, bear with me, should be able to rotate this. Ow. Hold on, let me put this down here. See, okay, and careful not to get pinched whatsoever. So you rotate around like that. Now we've got the tangs in a position where you can cut these ones. So I'll use a blade. I found actually the easiest way is to just slice like this 3 or 4 times, at which point it will cut the tang off, rather than trying to saw it, at which point you tend to either break blades and occasionally smash your fingers. So, bear with me one second.